Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create Facebook without last name. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is to install the Facebook Lite, and then once you've done installing it, open it. Now, as you can see, I have my first name and then last name. Now, the next step that we're going to do is to install a certain app in Play Store. Now, search for Touch VPN and then install it. And now, once you're done installing the app, you need to set up the Touch VPN. Right after that, change your country to Japan and then start the VPN. And now after that, go to your Chrome and search Japanese characters. And find this certain character. Once you're done copying that character, go back to your Facebook Lite and then go to Settings and go to your Account Center. Now click your profile and then name, and now change your surname to that character. Now review change, and then you can choose the format of your name and then proceed. And now it's finally done. Let's go back to our profile. And now you can see that I only have my first name. And that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.